Fly, baby!
Expend4BLES is an upcoming American action film directed by Scott Waugh, with a screenplay by Kurt Wimmer, Tad Daggerhart, and Max Adams.
We have a new mission.
It is the fourth installment in
Avoiding
the
the World War
Expendables
III.
film series and is scheduled to be released on September 22, 2023, by Lionsgate 1. The film stars an ensemble cast including Sylvester Stallone, Jason Statham, Dolph Lundgren,
What's up, the
and
new guy?
Couture,
What's up, sniper?
reprising their
Don't worry
roles
about
from
it.
previous
I got a
films,
prescription
with
scope.
Curtis,
Oh, God.
50
Remember
Cent,
this face.
Jackson,
Don't shoot it by
Megan
accident.
Fox, Tony Jaa, Iko Uwais, and Andy Garcia joining the cast. In this movie, the Expendables are assigned on a mission to stop Suarez, who runs a terrorist organization, from smuggling nuclear warheads that will ignite a conflict between Russia and US. Is there anything else you would like to know? The first Expendables movie was released in the United States on August 13, 2010.
I got this situation.
It
where I
was
need your
directed
help.
by Sylvester Stallone,
bad friends.
who also starred in the lead role. Is there anything else you would like to know? The first Expendables movie featured an ensemble cast of mostly action film actors consisting of Jason Statham, Jet Li, Dolph
That's what I'm
Lundgren,
talking about.
Randy Couture, Terry Crews, Steve Austin, Mickey Rourke, and Bruce Willis. The Expendables 2 is a 2012 American action film directed by Simon West. In the film, the Expendables undertake a mission which evolves into a quest for revenge against rival mercenary Jean Villain, who murders one of their own men and threatens the world with a deadly weapon. Is there anything else you would like to know?